Hey guys, Dino here from 3-Star Nomadic, and here's a little bit of a review on what happened in Thailand. We're in Phuket with Dino, 3-Star Nomadic. That's great. I think it's all shonky wonky. And to get to my room, I've got to go through this. Don't know what they sell in here. What do you reckon? One guess anyway. Singer. The original Thai beer. There you go, Marco. This one's for you, brother. Oh yeah. Can I get one beer?
No beer ค่ะ
Oh no beer. Why is there no beer today?
Big Buddha today ค่ะ
What is it?
Big Buddha
Big Buddha Day.
Yes
We're falling on Big Buddha Day, and the Buddha doesn't want us to drink, which I think is a little bit unfair. So,
You looking, sir?
how are you? What do you have?
Looking so tasty. I buy, sell, Bangla Road. Give me holiday.
Oh, wow.
Massage, picnic.
Hey guys, Dino here from 3-Star Nomadic. It's about 6:37 in the morning, and I'm down at the beautiful Patong Beach. And you can even go concrete surfing. Whoa. Morning, how are you? Did you have a good evening? Did you have a good evening?
Yeah.
That's good.
You too, huh?
Yeah. What's your name?
Christina.
Christine, I'm Danny.
Yes.
Danny.
Oh, where are you from?
Dino. Yeah, I'm from Australia.
Australia.
Yeah. Say hi to Australia.
Yeah, come to
All right, Christina. Lovely to meet you. See ya. Now that's gotta make you happy. So, and he's letting this lady know that you can't do that. Good morning. You walk everywhere.
Yeah, I love it
Everywhere. The Bangla Road. Party Street Central, guys. Let's go have a look. So here we go, Bangla Road, guys. Newfound, mate. Cheers, buddy. Everywhere we go. Who's that guy? Plenty of buzz. Max, the lady boy. Works at the Jack Daniels bar. Bloody good bloke he is. One of these. 150 it cost me, but everybody's looking at everyone else. And I just had to get famous, so I talked to this lady boy. Fair enough. There I went, down the road, with the blue nose. I was getting famous. Look, winks from everyone. Oscar said, you are number one, brother. Road, in a nutshell. So, if you're over that way, go crazy on Bangla Road. Why not? Peekaboo! Today you're off to one of the most beautiful islands in the world. You guessed it, Phi Phi Island in Thailand. Krabi. We're going to head to Al Naung Beach, have a good little look around. Enjoy!
We have Shelby 9.
Yeah, thank you. More lady boys. See, if I pan around a bit, we're just completely surrounded by mountains here. And we're on the boat and on our way to Railay Beach in Thailand. Cruise down here. Monkey's got his noodles. Delivery boat there. So have a look at this, guys. Goes right down there. Anyway, if you need a spare penis, anyone? This is the cave to be at. Phuket to go and watch the mighty Matildas at Legends Bar. Go the Matildas! So, 2-0 win to the Matildas. And people still out running amok, right? Morning.
No.
Okay.
Old man.
Okay. That was stupid old man. So morning. That's the end of Bangla Road on a rainy day. But from the kiddies playground now, we gotta head into the big boys playground. There you go, just got me ticket to the stadium. Guys, here we are down at Karong Beach. Kata and Karon. And of course Dino Park. Well, there you have it, guys. What a trip, eh? What a trip. Another successful trip to Thailand. You'll be seeing me in the Philippines real soon, guys. So from Dino here in Thailand on Patong Beach, we'll catch you down the track.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.